All right. All right. Now, I installed this hair and I didn't like it. So I went back and I plucked it. And now I'm drunk. So I'm gonna install it. Hi everybody, welcome back to my channel. So I installed this wig and then yesterday, and then today I was like, I installed it trash. I can admit that. So I went in and I plucked it some more, and I put some baby hair in it. So you know, and this is how it came out. And I filmed it, and I was drinking. So it was like a drunk install, kinda. But you know, it's a nice wig though. The hair is great. It's 26 inches, and it's great. So yeah, we're gonna get right into the video. If this comes out better than any install I've ever done in my life, I'm gonna be pissed off. I'm gonna be pissed off. Man, but I figured that I should film this just in case it does come out spectacular. Oh my goodness. Oh my goodness. Always. Okay, alright. So, what's up, Mina? Nice of you to join us. Yeah, I'm gonna put it there. Alright, and I'm not gonna use no glue because that takes my hair out. What the hell? That was crooked. Maybe me, maybe my eyes, maybe the camera. I don't really know. Something's off. Hi, Dean. So yeah, I'm about to film this, see how it comes out. Been drinking a lot of watermelon. I plucked this more and you still can't tell, bro. Whatever. So, put it right here. So, I'm just putting glue everywhere right now. I ain't even measure it. It's just gel. So if it messes up, we could take it off and do it over. But I'm pretty sure I kind of know what I'm doing. Y'all, I done plucked this wig so much. You can't even tell. Y'all, it's hot. Wow, I'm sweating. I'm getting drunk, y'all.
I mean, where the fuck should I really even start? I got hoes that I'm keeping in the dark. I got my niggas across the street living large.
I'm getting drunk.
Thinking back to the fact that they dead.
I'm very.
They sat with the bars. I got 2 phones, one need a charge. Yeah, they twins, I can tell they ass apart. I got big packs coming on the way. I got big stacks coming out the state. Got a little mix with me either way. It's a big gap between us and the game. The next life I'm trying to stay paid. I die, put my money in the when I die, put my money in the grave. I really gotta put a couple niggas in their place. Really gotta slap every nigga in a race. I really might tap realest nigga on my face. CC, let it slap in the base. I used to stay close with a mask like, hey. Now I'm like, nah, love, I'm good, no way. Ain't about to die with no money out of gave. I was on top when that shit meant a lot. Still on top, I'm scared of the pop. Still on top, these niggas wanna swap. Niggas wanna swap like the sauce in a box. I don't wanna change, but I'm doing round back.
This is what I like it to look like. This is looking like scalp now, and I'm like kind of like, okay. So you never happened to the kids. Okay, I'm gonna take another shot though.
Go get a $500,000 in a sprinter. Phone ringing, bitch, you know a big cripple. I got the hook up and it really no limit. Dead bogus and you nigga DNA. Ricky spell is indicated with the gate. Little nigga, it's another state case.
What's the vibe? Cause if I come over there, are you gonna be in the bed? Are we gonna be drinking? Are we gonna be hanging? Are we gonna be chilling? Are we gonna be vibing? You look like you about to be sleeping.
I can't hear you.
Ah.
Oh, you getting your AirPods?
I lost them. I said, what's the vibe? Cause you look like you chilling.
I mean, we could drink this shit.
Yes, that's exactly what I want to do. Well, I'm gonna invite the party over. I'll talk to y'all later.
Bye.
So I gotta reroute it. The nigga dripping like I gotta see and others got the trap jumping like Spain when I rebound, then I'm out. Better never talk about it. The homies squad, but we all smoke the loudest. Rich niggas don't really being modest, cause the way I do my deals never treated like an artist on house.
Tell me what you say now. Tell me what you say, come again. If you cannot stay down, then you do not have to pretend like there is no way out. I should've never let you in, cause you got me face down. And don't take this personal. You're the worst, you know what you've done to me. And although it hurts, I know I just can't keep running away. I don't need you, I don't need you, I don't need you, I don't need you, but I want you. I don't mean to, I don't mean to, I don't mean to, I don't mean to, but I love you. Tell me what you say now, tell me what you say. You said that you would come again. You said that we would remain friends, but you know that I do not depend on nothing or no one. So why would you show up so uninvited? Just change my mind like that. Please don't take this personal. But you ain't shit and you weren't special till I made you so. You better act like you know that I've been through worse than you. I just can't keep running away. But I don't need you. 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 But I want you. But I want you. I don't mean to. I don't mean to. I don't mean to. I don't mean to. But I just lost hope. Everybody's like he's no item. Please don't like him. He don't wife him. He one night him. I never listened, no. I should've figured though. All that shit you was spitting so unoriginal. But it was you, so I was with it. Then to tell you the truth, wish we never did it. Cause I usually do stick to the business. But you came out the blue, then you just flipped it. Goddamn baby, my mind's blown. Be forgetting you live in a different time zone. Think I know what this is, just the time's wrong. Yeah, I know what you did, but baby, I'm grown. And my love is patient and kind and shit. This is where we could build, do different types of shit. You was really the realest, wouldn't be fighting it. I think your pride is just in the way. Funny how everything changed. Once you got
Okay, y'all. So the lace is a little, you know, it's a little apparent. I don't like that, but aside from that, it's all good. I like the baby hairs. I'm getting better at this. Okay, we plucked it. Okay, look. Okay. Ooh. Ooh. But the hair on this lace is really good. Look at this hair. Look at this hair. Bye. See you on the next one.